Tonight I've got this long green thing with the furry top. It's a piece of corn. And I'm going to do it the same way I did the potatoes the other night in foil.
So you want the hot sauce?
So I want the hot sauce. Taylor wants the hot sauce.
Oh yeah, I do.
Oh, all the hot sauce is in the stew.
You eat the corn yourself.
So, if you were barbecuing the corn, you would not remove the husk from it entirely. You would just peel it back and remove all this stringy rubbish on the inside. But seeing as I have foil and I'm going to do it on the coals, I can afford to just get rid of the green stuff. So you got your bit of corn there. This is a really good way to remove all the hairy stuff from it.
But it is
Gets it nice and clean. Bit of foil. Now everybody knows that corn and butter go together great, so rather than butter the corn after cooking, I'm going to butter the corn now and let it just bathe in butter juice. And this is all season. It's supposed to say all season, but it's got a spelling mistake on it. Smells legit. So I'm just going to all season that corn a little bit. Yeah, that'll do. Just like the spud.
You're going to make someone a good wife one day.
Yeah, right. One done, ready to go on the coals. Now I'll proceed just like that again. Give it a quick toss. Get all the hair off it. If it wasn't a piece of corn I was doing it on, it would have hurt.
Do I have to toss it exactly like you did?
Yeah, it's the only way. Yeah, that's it. You gotta have that little flick at the
Just
end.
the flick of the wrist. Now, as we discovered, it's all on the wrist with the flick.
Taylor just made himself a Taylor special. Doo-doo, 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 doo-doo. Taylor's deadly corn roll.
Cook pretty quick.
Yeah. Woo!
It's easy just to learn the songs and then you can't really...
Now,
Oh, it looks pretty good.
this is the stupidly spicy one that I'm going to devour.
Yeah, no, it's gonna
I love the sound of that.
Oh, look
that's
at
gonna
that.
devour you.
Where it's very dark here is a real spicy bit.
Yeah.
And I've bitten it on the other side.
Where's someone to play?
And it's starting to get down the throat right now and starting to melt the eyeballs. So let's take a bite out of the really hot spot.
Actually, I can smell that from here. That smells really good.
Can you
Do you wanna
smell pain?
taste?
No.
Right, so can you see the little burnt bits? Red?
Yep, we can, yep.
Yeah, that's the spicy bit.
Wipe it clean, please, yeah?
Apart from heat, how's the flavour?
That just hit the back of the throat. I'm tempted to wait and cool it down, but
Yeah.
I just want to get this over with.
There was sadness in your voice just then.
There's sadness in my heart. Oh. Alright, Right, so this corn is just making me piss at the moment.
You're doing a damn good job. I couldn't do what you're doing.
I mean, I like spicy food, but this isn't tasty spicy. This is just burn the shit out of you for spicy.
So go over the fire.
No, I'll finish it. It hurts.
And I must say, damn good stuff, Alex. And Taylor, for the way you rubbed in the butter.
I rubbed it well.
Yep. It's
Cleared the hair too.
it's very different from table dinner corn on a cob, where it's just done in
Perfection.
How do you usually cook corn?
Saucepan.
Bit
Water.
of steamy water.
Yes, steam or boil it. Now this has a perfect barbecue flavour.
Smoky.
It's just the right amount of butter, and
What about the owl season?
not sure about yeah.
He's
I
burning.
think the Al season.
Bloody hell.
Yeah, thanks Al for the season. It's beautiful.
Woo! Isn't that steamy? So these were on the coals, on the hot plate over the fire for about half an hour, I reckon, in and out, and it feels pretty well cooked. Surprisingly not burnt, given the heat that was on it. And as you'll see from everybody else's reactions, most of it was good. Taylor nearly died because of the amount of hot sauce we put on it, but everyone seemed to enjoy it. And I'll see what I think. Oh damn, it's hot. It's so juicy. Yeah, all that butter.
Do you think you could have done anything else to it?
More chili.
More chili?
Yeah.
But not as much as Taylor's.
The bottle is behind you.
True. I think it could have actually done with a bit more Al season.
I reckon, yeah. Even a bit of salt, maybe.
Yeah, maybe a bit of salt. Al season seemed to weaken a little bit, but still damn tasty. So there you go. Second thing that you can cook in alfoil: spuds, corn. There's two things out of the way, and probably just about everything else.